Problema niyo din ba yung maluluwag na damit? As a postpartum mom, ang dami kong maluwag na damit recently and nakakasira siya ng OOTD. So, I found a quick fix and I'm sharing it to you guys. This is what they call clothes stapler. To be honest, I usually adjust or staple my clothing while I'm wearing it, especially if it's a soft cloth like dress because it would fit perfectly. But for denims like this, I usually fold it at the back and then staple kasi mahirap siyang i-adjust kung sa likod mo siya isi-staple. So, after this, I'm gonna wear it directly. Ganun lang siya ka-simple. Sobrang easy niya lang gamitin. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, check out na din kayo sa Yellow Basket because I could really vouch for this one. And look at this. Fit na siya sa body ko. And kung hindi ako nagmamadali guys, promise maayos yung likod sana. Pero kasi hindi ko siya na-fold ng maayos. I'll show you more videos like this kapag nagkaroon ako ng time. That's all. Ciao! Bye-bye!